In today's episode of Taste of the Town, we're in Europe and we're actually going to have some poutine. We're here at Poutinois. They sell the national dish of Canada, which is called poutine. They have different toppings that goes on top of fries along with gravy and cheese, and it's absolutely delicious. So if you've never had poutine, come with me, let me show you how it's made, and you guys definitely need to come down here and check out this place. It is a really great hotspot. A special thank you to Poutinois for the complimentary meals. I have to say it was really delicious, and I recommend that everyone comes down and tries this out. They have a wide range of toppings for everyone.
Any suggestions?
Yeah, actually, we have the most popular one, which would be the bacon and popcorn chicken, which just consists of a fresh cut fries, cheese good, with a gravy with either beef or veggie, your liking. The bacon and popcorn chicken, that's the most popular one we have right now. Second, we have the bacon and pine, which also comes with the fries, cheese, gravy. And lastly, we have the pulled pork and pine. The Chiran salsa is also good.
Alright, so everything is available.
Everything is available.
Alright, so I'm gonna take 2 beaver size and 1 grizzly size. So I want you to give me some recommendations. So you make accordingly.
The grizzly, we can do the bacon and popcorn chicken. See, that's the most popular one.
Right.
So one of the beavers we'll do the pulled pork and pine. And the second one we'll do Nigeria chicken and chocolate salsa, something different.
Alright, so that sounds great. So let's see how this magic happens.
So it is freshly cut chopped up chicken to make our most popular popcorn chicken. So we bread it in-house and we fry it as you order it. So all of our fries are prepared in-house and chopped.
So what process is this?
This is called the blanching process. You blanch it for 4 minutes and cook it for 3 minutes. This is called the finishing process. You cook it for 3 minutes to get the nice golden color.
That is a sea salt that we toss it.
So this process?
For the seasoning, of course, you first take off some of the excess grease. After we take it to the box. Now we add our cheese squibs.
This is part of the magic.
Well, this is the gravy process now. So we have 2 types of gravy. We have a vegetarian gravy and we have a beef gravy here, right? Beef gravy. So our pulled pork here now, our smoked pulled pork.
Oh, that looks
Right. And after when we finish it, we garnish. We have some sauteed onions and mushroom too. After we finish it, then we garnish it with some sides. Right, so this is our luau. Consists of fried cheese, gravy, bacon, and pineapples. And again, we garnish it with some salad. deluxe, right? This is consist of fried cheese, gravy, bacon, popcorn chicken, our most selling one. Right, and we're pouring our vegetarian gravy on this one here. I should put some salt. This is our dough, Trini. It consists of fried cheese, gravy, Jira chicken, and salad. Salsa consists of tomatoes, pineapple, shallow ready, salt, pepper, onions, and a little lime.
So the first one we have is the deluxe, which is our most popular. Next we move to the Don Trini, which is the poutine topped with Jira chicken and tropical salsa. Next, we have our Le Luau poutine, which the toppings are bacon and pineapple. And then finally, we have our pulled pork with sauteed onion and mushroom poutine. So Poutinois, we're located right near the Quai d'Honneur lights, right opposite Subway. You'll look for a white building, just with a tent and our flag, come down the hallway. Right at the end of the hall, you'll find poutine. Every Wednesday to Sunday from 12 p.m. lunch all the way to 10 or 11. So all of our poutine ingredients being in Trinidad now for almost 2.5 years, what we've tried to do is try and use as much local ingredients that we can possibly. So we have a line of sauces that we make. Some of them are in-house, some of them we use to local suppliers. So where we can, we'll try and use as local as much as possible to support local business. So we thank you for coming to visit us. Natasha, big thank you to you. And we hope that you'll come support us, try something new in Trinidad and Tobago. And if you want to find out more information, visit us on social media, on Instagram or Facebook by searching at Poutinois. Thank you for visiting. Trini Cooking, it was a pleasure.